Why because she knows the Bible?
No, uto wana podcast yoto bako manga bebiri. Vele mina.
Andikona ngande yamalanga ya WT.
Ningo bora we.
Why ngore ufuna nichita
Because I feel like it's nice. Don't you think it's a good thing to know the Bible? Anifunga real namsinichira better. It's like niaita nature like you said.
Kamini.
Reference. No tokona botota.
Nichira better ndisa ni mankamba nozori. Kabo
vyamba aya bangene baba kutwa monga ndi Brian.
Yo bobo mumburera chimwe na chimwe.
Timothy, that's the I don't want to mess things up. I don't want to say it's just chone because I feel like I don't know the Bible like that. What
verses do you know? Zinaroforia.
Tione mara ndikombore ati knowledge
so.
What John 14
John 14 ifi. John 14 the truth. John 14 is okavi.
Asila the only way to go to my father is through what was through me. Tione ye Jesus akwamba.
Why kavichi ifi John 14?
Really? Why? I've never heard of it in my life.
Seriously? John 14
So I really wish that you now with like, and I feel like don't remember
I feel like Nela Sunivana Vanakosita I think not than that stream alive. Recite the verse. I'm like,
but we did that. I did that as well.
Mara,
I don't know. It was never.
What it does
I mean, right on a Bible, what came, but still.
At least there was warrant. Unaza 66, not 27.
I still feel like. Come sitting also as given to Itoma late. Come in under Itoma earlier Sabiwe. Come sit under one.
Now we Toma Elia with the Winfangan to the
Nani. Did you see the message she sent me the other day? I don't know if it was the screenshot or imagine you're Joseph. We are at home and then next thing. Oh, that's the expensive gifts. Oh, impregnate I feel like it's a flex.
Yeah, marathon. Because also, funny enough, so that's what I'm doing with the wine because I'm going to attend that I Uber. So you come so, you're mean, so ni Christian, are you religious? I'm religious very much. The Bilvaka Christianity. I was like, oh, what do you call your God? I'm like, I better true. That's the thing. I'm expecting to and I don't know. I just call him God.
But we don't call him God.
There's an actual name, Lawe Nel Omiti Wakabibiri and all that. I'm like, then he was like, Janan what don't know what Janan Kai verse me. Nishim say King James Version. That Jana. I've been going to Philippi up, not Jehovah. Yeah, that's his name.
That's his name.
Then I'm going feeling when I'm like, oh, yeah, when they live, and then I'll fuck RC. I should describe Banyan.
Describe.
Hello, Tiamba, the baby. At first, never come to Abusive. You got the Goyam Rita wine is when you're Zangori because of that kind of Muslim. I should mom because like, what do you mean? What you're religion? So I'm like, oh, if that's the case.
No, I think it's a flex. I don't know where to start because firstly, I don't like reading like that. Even the books that I read are not. As a show of goodies. As a show of read? Like novels. Deep one. It's like a movie.
You're not baby like Bugunji.
Iningori ni post ni busy niko ba.
Niko tamba what you
no mbona guide ko iba.
Niko itantu niko bona zunya for da niko tazunya.
Niko bona mini.
Utobero for da niko bona bugu face.
Ngori ndibando focus ndibando be phone kule. It's the only time I log in.
Yeah, chatsa.
Did for the next book zanga ndozo hobe was mini uri to kuba guide. Ndito for the nditosvika. Okay, don't video call on the Bolonga, don't video like that for the 40 or this go on and manipulator. Do
you think that Sophie Abadesa the book and I mean you have to saka vocabulary?
It does.
How so?
Oh, Emunanamsi is ya good at you like this didn't end. There's no way you're not gonna learn a new word or two. And it's always and I need the finically good and chumiza. So it's like I think it's the best way. Watch and also watching like the type of stuff that you watch. I don't go on a moja love every day. You're not gonna like improve your vocab. Hey, no improve changan. Kana
dikaria sote.
And I really go zero bona if you mean show need improve Venda.
If you concubine.
Venda. So so it's what you watch. It's what you watch is what you read.
Yeah.
Zvithu zvine nazviconsume on a day. Na vatu vanenge hanga around navo. Ari kuzozwana vatu vamatamba. There's no meeting in the bed. I need to go. I don't swear.
Really?
No, if you ever heard me go say man
Actually, no, I don't. Because what I say man, who was the man now?
It's I don't know. It's just some of the things that we were raised. I don't know. Like it's just like farting panda vatu. I can't. Even napanda mngano wanga. It's like I can't because it's. I don't know. Roitu hayanu ripongari.
Yes,
it's like horrible. Like my grandmother. Because rinena nichibudziwa nduri nachitozidozolo mutu atakwanga ukokoda passage ndiane palati.
Nachizofukosulola.
No, you knew. Okay.
No, divisari.
Ndimorini oti ndomuolora oya koja chitu. But then but then you were not allowed to just no. Nani chisemi ngandori no. So so need to because why vamwe vatu vakoti yopfa munuko waye izvo zvithu zvano. I mean you're not niyakono takuwa right wenza taku
ndikochavezonto ambori otakochoruyosuru
and atomosetsa ndinotomotinga usi groove
ndikomazoti uri oninono the Thomas says that no zambofi mutono Thomas yamandiere so nange usini nazvifa you are forced to be quiet so gori no really tell about trying to Thomas hi man
guys zamanu satola immediately before njiba zvipeni awara ngozva vukoma nikoriniso vava ende runokurenga nikoriniso vava it's just like what do you even mean and then you can't look at anyone everybody looks amazing ningazi believe or ndi
niteso kompyuta mazeguriti vanhu vari kagenerala
ende ingazi bveka generala okay, anyways, guys.
No, I feel like ivulane azondogumamba kamaking antu nendikwine kaini inonombo
ngomanoutuvambani ai
sitombo sonini ambani zvino
no ndikononkumuzi vakava vachitova pepa munarimaunainitinailapatiori vambodiri vamuvaira beti vaigonya on the dot nani unayo video ndizondisendeni no and it's good like I mean avala petu nani zinodu chigenerator not the way that's how we jump on it. I'll show you the video. Open the show,
guys. Welcome to the Black Couch Diaries.
You know, change your voice. Why are you trying to sound sexy? Hi guys, welcome back to the Black Couch Diaries, episode number
61.
For real?
Yeah. You guys passed the 60 mark.
Hey, I wrote slow. What number 100? A lot has happened. I think Riambezo episode in tea.
Nah, I'm not telling you. Not going to talk about something good.
Ani Shoni.
Honey.
Somehow it starts when we're together. It's never anything Shonoiti. Ndikuchuta na chibuya, nothing ever happens. Hi, nothing happened to Namus. Not a we.
Ha! Nivopa. Mara nore no mutu. Mara that way.
Ati opi mutu mara. Zichibo diwa. Ndichibo pindura. I become the bully. So
Marana no kwate ila vegi. Yo. How wait a minute.
No, it was just because then because when I was do and get there and I'm like maptumuni ndo pumura though. Nobody talks about the part where I kept quiet. The week before ndo pumura.
Oh yeah, so ndiko first.
She no, ndichibuamba wise mapumu. Ndichipumura nge aura mtu ware.
Well, jena comments or ofachi urofinda so.
No, that's when you go aphonga atkwamba naye. Because kabe ndipindure that's the end mwana kai yanga wolo ndari hauna mutu wa mini no.
I don't have fake account.
I didn't want that.
Let's bring in comment a fake account.
Eh?
Una comment a fake account.
Yeah, last time. Some girl. Okay, zinala kutiwa la mudzana. Matizo ene achi ita oba ko identify as mini. ngoti fake account wondotonda ngori it's either you're a girl or a boy. But then yeah, I think ndandikupindurira uri zvisongo chaya panda, and if it does happen again, unfortunately I'll have to do it again because yeah, if my family is involved.
Ndodere vathu na ini.
Wait done.
Ndivona zvinhu zvavangamuita. Ndikosedza. Bata rufe wetantu. Ndo ndikosenda skinje rufe wo posta chigiri limwe dova. Vari vachanza va.
But I think it's a picture here before. So yeah.
Because ndofanya finano take ndarina tingozvibona. To remove your then send a screenshot. I'm like guys,
I'm the comment of the one on December. Jaman the wrong my video. I got to practice for 6 months. Okay, sorry. Let's move on, guys.
Well, it's okay. Understand, man. What does it? You might devise a breed. Anyways, yeah. So, we're sponsored by Martin and Funeras and Insurance. Last know
one number keep it on Julius and.
Tell me.
Yeah, Martin one.
Abana zikepe da soma.
Mana kepe mara.
Endo win. Mana zikepe we Martin one.
Seriously.
Ini amanyaza ma.
Kumla kepe.
Azukipa banazo.
Chikipa uchidonga mzaba. Kabatomba kepe.
Why not chikipa? Why not chikipa? Kepe zone is like that.
Choka. The YMCMB. That's it. Nandi nalo.
The track feet.
Ina nalo.
That's it.
Listen.
Listen. Yeah, there dwalo lile ya Jenny na.
Re ambara na chimwe chihembe chine afandi ingwe kala.
Nasukisa zone.
Apa pasindi ingwe kala. Uchi mletaje Mr. Price?
Nachi bandena. Ana chiche na bandena hapo no.
Landela rar ndikuchimwa na chinepe. Yes, rina chinepe roidada ngobe tutendo ofodiwa. There's some color block thing going on. Sorry, hembe na kepe zvachimdisa. I'm still trying to understand, but anyway.
No, so get your speaking. And there you got to end yon. Because
what you were at that time. We were eating at that time.
Yeah, so
about mtu waswege chikuluni. Tinumbuli. Nini mungu watu vane nito tura rere uwe tu break. You were all over the place. No, nani chito chimbira. Nani chito kaka raili ngo chimbira.
Amara ni break ndio ndo zura wangu wego chimbira. Ndi breaki.
Atinumbulika sizofrika. Atinumbulika sizo.
That's what we do some bazi vachikubusora. Umkano bana podcast yani hani. I'm like guys, ndo dzika ndani ku the process ndingaita mini chiloni.
Mara nanchiwani kurwiwa, sina kurwedwa ni cause nanuluga.
Nachidi na class initi. Nga break na di right. Nachimani kuriti. Nachidi. Nazo ndoenda ndonibuza chistory. Chao malindi.
Boni dai.
Chantu.
Norwa nabo. Mafezi. Chambara dhiro norwa nabo.
Yeah, mara tundi wabona. I'm like, and awaone class ini. Awaone. I feel like tadi were awaone.
So afunga ngobadere panda.
Chamna zonda ndita mbari kandi vele nda class ini.
Nena do yavanyitani. Vori tina chizira madovi ajo.
Madovi ndinyi.
Funi. Sorry. Ndizira funi na ola mwane tinga mwambi na ndera.
Ola professor chamamba dzinano ti.
Vari padursuwa. Ola mwe na funi na ndera sharp. Nena dzona ndera. So hello duboto ngararo dakado ari straight. River tsina.
Usuwa Venda. Yo.
I don't think people understand what zviamba mini. It's not like zvidorusanga chito in the story anyway. She's not part of it. So rodzura classini. Chigwena chamba. Chawedza ndera kana vuvuto. So literally vasadza katafura yacho vari sesi anokuhamba katakuwo. Instantly Funi gets up.
And achivona uchitakuwo.
No.
No, the way.
Wala mtu ni masters graduate kathoni piwone.
Ndachivona hey.
So murapfisa somehow.
No way.
Kavalo kavatwala futama yanga. No. Masters graduate.
Ticho graduate ange.
Ish, hope kadevege. No rinda sado jena ngangomu anyway. Una miawe, una karadzi yawe.
Sampona na story.
Sharp. Watakuwo. Abe abangwamba dzina vori mutano kwamba katakuwo chigwena chatakuwo. Vari tikwamba ini. Ndikwamba hoyo. Ondori vampengera. No, mtu ananga volunteer. Okay, abangwamba dzina vori iyo ngo ambata kuone atakuwo. What makes you think she would want to put herself there if usiyeni? Muna vari ndikwamba ini ndikuhanedza nare ndikuhanedza van class nyanga. I'm like, "Right. Hey, vori kandi then details lozuita mulenjeso." Ndaro I'm not doing it because I don't do anything.
Nane unyitisa zwe.
Vari kandi ibve. Ndaro right. The following day ndasiyambishi to ayand. The following day vari indo ndikuzondijana class ndimeni kuubva. Ndasifazwe class nende komisa zodaresa and then nematombothi yadibine in the geography. I don't know shit about rocks. I'm like I'm going down. Ndikotopfa. I get to the bathroom. I call my mom. Ndare mami nerina issue abachikoro ndiusko. Ichi ndofonera makuru angondo.
Narumunimba wako.
Afonera miyanga. Yer. Hasmunimba wabo.
mara tivadzura ngengani nge
Hoy. Kudzishkebe ngonge.
oh
If I don't like kereke highlights in Narin. So he's always there. I think it's like a church something. So next thing my mom comes to the office and we sang and ndichiyan tingotenda. I was like ndikuba butsa botina botanga vasikori I don't know but if you say otsva ukata kuatakuwa unomutana ngato volunteer uri otsva songotsva come on
vamwe vana beef name kana idzani
also I remember also me achigwena is very prominent ka education
miyafuni
zvino tine vamwevo uri kofela uri piri vavasingamuiti hezvila vavasingamupanichi zvine vafunisa zvona so I'm just like
zvashomela zvito hote
it works also namusi areri usi uri mubhebi wanu prominent areri mubhebi wanu achishow up esa chikoloni you know unavala vabhebi vane vasikuzviraboni it's cool I remember there was Ntando.
What are they doing?
Kuti Ntando was troubled. At DB, vatova active. There's no name of the SGB. Hey, stuff like that. So I have
come like a video show like a SGB every mean at the bar and whatever it is at the 3P anyway, but you go the bed. I'm like find this one.
Valid. Let me
you mean school governing body kanati?
Hey.
Mara, do you know what tripping about?
Do you ever wish your mom was part of those things?
Nah, never.
Don't go to a tripping and baby.
Never.
After for some rare pepe, nga December.
I don't want to get and go to a shavi. Why am to SGB?
Baba chitora tripping bus.
Nah, tripping. Baba funzi tiwala.
Ras do dipinda. Ya dori na fera rendo. Baba tripping na funzi.
Hey, but then anyways, right kademu zanga martuno and sorry guys. If you want to contact them na divazwe na baita the funeral, swa was kunaka. When the pages are on TikTok, what for go say ne. What for ne? Kazra 10 yo kazra 1515102551 kana 0252 kana ni niwafoneka nombera yavo ya WhatsApp ine do ene poka screen and then if you want to utilize the studio chapanda uri vade vanita zvigona zvino batwa dzi video of the streaming niwafonere ka 0100232939 or info@pandastudios.com. Yeah, ndine don't want to say it.
You're just mumbling. Not if you want to use this.
Ndiola mtu ane natokaka ifila chikuwa
nitoka mtu ako order episode later or trauma.
Why online?
Kana niko vachifara no practice and kana niko tiotsa
mara nomofuni nodziwana vathu chautogwa ndi number 4
ari dzimwana ochodanda vangana muriti
next time ndione ichikuita zvote zvichimire chapo zvireka man richikutomana rikwamanga nakwamanga concubine I mean naivonela ntu nei
I didn't.
Why not?
I don't know ndoto hangu I'll watch it though
nangwa mbili zote episode
ndidoya I promise
kufidali
nechipinga changa chokubona zvithu chilimited mamga ndidoya man.
What do you watch?
I watch a lot of reality TV nezvidiva mari vo Temptation Island yayodropa zvino also nditoivona ngokula ku1 hour kamzi ndikubva mushumoni before I go to bed. It's just I don't have time mara ndiyazama ngamacheloni ndi podcasting phase nditecheresa like say the true crime. Now I'm listening to that review. One like unabo kwambo the crime document like the crime documentary.
Nanwaruwa na vanotomojena kadzi crime iti
ndopamudza ungwanedza lunch ndikubona madlanga commission ndimulwane
nokegura nametatazvaso ndotodzora ndatakaita zvaso hai.
So there's one that I'm watching zvino a girl Kofi Ashley Janae, she's from the US. So that girl otuwa aya Zanzibar na boyfriend yao, so-called boyfriend, some white old man. Yeah. And then I went all over. So every day there's a new update. So in the morning, that's all I'm listening to.
What's the new update now?
Apparently, Hoopy, the guy over Ako flyer
apparently
in.
Huh? Anira apparently na Hoopy.
Okay.
Hence why. Hey, don't pipe it.
Yeah, so the guy ofariwa, but apparently ufi utoba ka holding cell. So tukugumrera zvezvo uri atuchajiwa and the girl but apparently boba na argument to a point in was separate from wise wakaimwe villa.
Oh yeah.
And then she came out and then Anna was sarangangi. Then she asked one of the people who she charged her phone. After charging her phone, she called her mom, told her mom that she had an argument with the boyfriend, warawara. She had an argument with the fiance, but then it sounded like it was something she could handle. She didn't sound like crazy, devastated,
the next day,
sharp. Yeah. And then the girl said, please come check on me in 15 minutes or whatever. wola kana otolenganyana kana otolitiani achijena, which is weird. It's 2 a.m. ne notopa mtu chajara one ukuedera hodeni ina shuma kaya. If you knock asivule, why are you using your own keys to open? Ninga muri chana mforo edera, ninga mforo kumedza, like why nikuvula na jena?
Cause ambori nideni ncheke.
No, chances are ukuni denje chajara yawe or something, but nako kwenye rumuni yanga ndasivule zvino. Niboto mvulera nga kids amu. Why?
Cause nombuzori in 15 minutes.
Mara, not in a bad way. Not in a ndingarova. Remember, this is a normal. This is a normal conversation. The in is nava na next door na kumbe hadzima chajara. But they were in 30 minutes.
But they were checking 15 minutes.
But okay, but the kokonya ina wenza kuvura but we have kids univulera. Think about it, riso kudibur all over. Think about it in the easiest way possible.
Your name the person kore udumpa yoni machero.
And the company 2 a.m. also. You're not even involving somebody else who phone kana bango bashumur ndina problem umuntu uri candidate ndokuda chajara yanga. You could even leave.
Mara, don't you think the fact you're awatu no separate you so kadru masa zo ikika kawala mtu hey, what if something chete here?
Chondonga. Okay, anyways, doesn't matter. He opens the door.
She ndi guy ni mtu kana
huyo. Yeah, mtu kana huyo. Achivula voti. That girl kana shambura the hunga ka voti, which is weird.
What the hunga?
Fish hunga off.
Hangu bule wanga uti matiko suzane.
No, chitori chone ndi checho original huko to find the truth obule wanga nyi. Because huko fi odi hunga mara like the autopsy ikusumbedza a whole different things utonga and but abakofesa sorry hani na chipinga achitendi and whatever. It's just a whole lot of different things. There's just so much going on. So every day we got the update nje. No
the kakero yomtu because if na the ungani yeta nduti
ayo information makwasi ngoyamba but
ndikwamba koma rolo zvipo fi mushu
I've heard of it too man kodwa mbori makwasi ngorifa ayo information
and iko ndinyine
imyanga
wafran
mama tukweda kalo speaker mami
ini odoro mami
mama hello beba ni phone yawe
bari ni phone after 15 minutes ngote utantu
ndiko shoota mami baba choya yako ubutsa mredi zvenamba zori ndore beba ufone watu vapetsa mapongwa apo and vazviita baby
avatorara
nemiyanga bewo ndiyari ndikwamara bewo conference call uchikudipa vafone ati ndafara vone ndishekawo vambeka hold wafona thama dzavo I'm just like
I'm
just like okay it's for job yake isi phone
ezvo ndiyazvibutsana
phone
yanga so nakori mtu awanerorova
awanerorova wanero the hunga so bachitovhura voti whatever yavo dhenga one umbodiwera pasi so zvikade investigatiwa which a lot of these things don't make sense because also mumtu kwamburi why usina camera napetuna kuti ubonori within that period auna mtu obuya aona ajena rumuni and so also now usehola munhu napedzi because holani apparently is a regular there so also he only called the parents as angorobera nepo awali wise was badera he only called the parents 11 hours later or yeah something happened 11 hours ago kamwana wavo no more information even since then atoda futi ava contact her if really you're a fiance and then go like no one ndibuzomara hoyo mutu I think you would actually give the parents as much information as they need but he's not being like
too much details like drops of the in
person no already wanna all over but there's nothing else that can make you and she was a influencer like your the video vixen and whatever
and check mara into page yaone kurina 20 something thousand which even top influencer but
comes in no one your name read
unless what run followers
but then ndo mubona naka one of these big rappers unazi video nabo
those for video wanyikana
20,000 something thousand I make sense because now who's that podcaster Joe
Rogan
yes he spoke about her as well as a friend so 20k doesn't make sense do you get it akwambore obo muramba party yawe lini obachi attend a party every year but then recently uori oh no ndito mandavudzisa mtu wanga so it sounded like he was a bit controlling as well yes so yeah also baba chimbranga for 20 years so
mara fast ro Thomas pocket zvaso zvikuita yakawala watu achizona dzol takeshe na mina
mara vose zwithu zvine
When do you guys realize it is the time to leave?
I've never been there, but I think they should.
But then, cause
Have you ever been in an abusive relationship?
she finally because it was the son name
No, we are not wrong, Bama. No, it's a safe space. I need to shoot.
Nah.
Then when it's time to leave, it's time to leave. Don't text that. Oh,
really?
now I feel like about Masha busy. They feel like I would beat them back, don't you think? Don't I look like the kind of Jaja?
Maybe. Oh, Maria. Hey.
I don't think I would.
Okay. There's a high chance you're I mean.
Usually I sit at home.
And then when do you guys actually see age, and then you go to look at that guy, wa posh. Yeah, white. Well, I'm the no woman foot.
I don't know why women.
So come lasu, umera kana.
Umera, waitu anachinepe.
Na tatu.
Why do women do? Do you think Lindara? Like why?
Nandara yanga mara yo.
Ngori zazwi kwine cause ba hone vadzana vanji vana kutangana zvilo zwithu mara va umela ati mara zvi easy ngori not everybody knows comes zvithu divanga vangana vanhu vararu or families ono sengiwa but then zvino zviko divanga vathu 1 million ina umela
the 2 minutes thing ya dimani like how do you guys look at each other?
No bona kamera yawe uri udrive a Porsche but uhani
Ngo dusori nisedzisana hani veve vaviri after all zvazoite zvino like rofarelana no budza shango tili kudiva South Africa yo tepu.
You know what?
You try to tell people, my guys left with over 100 people. And then now you come here and tell me, actually,
so, Jamana inu then what 200.
Nan komla so, uri neti, reason you forgive, ati. Ita dano no cheater before na initi. Kana, niko pula no cheater. Fnash to cheater la, rawa nozo deitia mimi.
Ame cheater na muo mtu arana Porsche za 5.
Linya arana Porsche za 5.
Saka move wa manageri.
Why? Because you're the Porsche the 5.
Like imagine, I'm cheating. Mtu wana abale zila Porsche the 5. Adamujia. Achidamujia adamujia mbili. Ula adzibona abakoriro imagete.
Ada imwe. You're those 5. You're those the 5.
You're those the hoi mana bodyguard.
Yeye bora kapchori.
Obu ya auditor makeup ono pangwana una na mabuzi odura.
Wewe ni bora kapchori Nigeria.
Adisi biona ngaliko plana nchite tukori.
Ana zo posa mwe mutu uri guys nzangopfonga rineti. I think this normal boy. Amore nzangopfonga norichana na mutu ukodoto motambura na mimi. Ini zvanzwa chimbira na.
Neibona ya mimi nashanda nayo.
Oh yeah, that thing.
Mara in that case asishande sho expose umwe ndi ula awaba kuchira
ndo buraru mara haba babiri ni yabalabiri tungefesesa mamuna
ngame
like no yela zote zo dakashango rasdozo mini ndi mini the sex is not even good and all that jigi no kumela ningi
auna chance
yeah it's a song when that is okuma I just hope uko plan something big
una bana do they have kids
yeah
that's the worst part I feel like that is the worst part of having kids. Whatever you do.
Nzavutakarira vana vana ti. Urijena zvakuma. Vana va traumatize.
Humbulani zvino usokarenda ndina mwana ari chikoloni. Ukuita zvithu zvo trend and whatever. What happens to that child?
Fimiano vakuita nthu.
Vakotrenda usumbedziwa dzipost and whatever. So I can't. That's when they say you expose my little sister kabe na yawe asingodhivosa mratwa wabva she must have her own thing like because I don't want people now going for her because she's my little sister. I chose this craft, my family didn't, which is why I think I spoke up because I'm like why vakoti ofela zvithu zvine nendi nendo zvinangawo nazvaoda muthu ramutiereka media everybody chose a different career zvino why vakoti ofela zvithu zvanga so if I don't speak up for them, nobody's going to do it. So unfortunately, I am. Didn't end up this camerani. They were not. Defender. So that's why I intentionally don't tag her. The online Instagram. They won't post that as tag. Not the pedophile. Una the pedophile. Let's go to because. Timratwa wava.
Yeah, roko shumana na chichi.
Roko rochirindera.
Rapeda rachi posta.
I mean wana shuna guy. Una 14, 13 shuna. But areba kokono bona.
Ula mrafu
ni mula. Ula mrafu ka grade 11. Ula muwe ka grade 9. The 9 na 11. So ari vachikona kuona muthu arira 16 17 samsatsi
yeah
so I don't want problems so I think the fact that una vana hangori hapavula vana vadozvivara ai hangu internet
it's a project
the internet does not forget. I saw this post ufinyola mntu kana unoita private investigations Tenelo, do you know him? Tenelo PI ne
wait a minute
reposta post ya ula mwana I think ula mwana Kotia was part of Chisore or something, you know, Lil Flex.
Oh yeah,
Kotia was part of the guys.
I think yeah
budget do you want it?
No, the budget target not budget so yeah wait a minute
no
need to watch it there like why mambuzeni
mara anyway bona ile post
post ya mwana ndoivona repost ile tumeivona alashika muzori watu chanundera
oboloderiwa he was responding to hola or reposter so una mtu ompostao una mtu opostao achikori umwana ka age onofata ndukana unotranga mini mtu ari post hola akono reposter uri but
accumulator
through so what do you think about it? Like what do you think?
Okay, funny enough I think ndoziyamba nela post ndichivona ti ori ona zvimwe zvine no matter what happens ti chimwe chipinga chifani kana zvinhu zvateya hano zvodza tsikoni mbere
true
like if zvinafe ndibva chiredeni whatever I do achafina ndoshuma it's all my parents money all that see so nakuzama zvimwe zvori nakavatu so hola mwana now atoshumisa haninga ine munhu he is doing YouTube what are those
for 400 Bolt kana Uber or something
I think I was to kids nyana lazant was Bolt but I know right as a YouTube and what kind of stream also
and una following good
and then I want to chere dani vatu avana ndava zvino kudofi ikobva ntu murawo sazvila zviyamene munhu
mara
that's just how the world sees us now
mara my chat is
strong as the bed zvino lazuri ched yanu kana inatoita
kana na vanoipiwa 100 ina itena yava 2 million asichina mshumo
2 million la ikobva kali kudzumela zvachi kuzoboitwa so
mara here's my thing already now ikobva ningi what is the problem kaula mwana yontonga inheritance now already you ikobva kori cuz you wait what's the issue
I think problem yo vanepo worry wala mtu comes or mini umwana unoshuma mini aite zvithu I'm sure atwakolwa nezuri songori dzoro otoshuma songotoshuma unori there's a chance or auto inherita through so
uyi inherita uri inherit mara zvitani
I don't know ne chelede ndi chelede
uri akonova way is
zvifana nazvo zva Eskom so like rinera ri kutamula with load shedding for probably 2 years unga mtu wako yadzi Dubai abakonitela dzi vlog zori apo unavona nasvisvina veve zviyani vaisadovanzwela zvingozvibona ngozvibona so I think maybe vamwe vati vane vakuzvi voice out so I feel like maybe vadhi vatovo vaisarawo kana vadhiva zvimwe so you never know with such things zvakonda because idivide vatu vothe nende kudomura zoro okay ni mtu kana mutuku ukodzamuita ukwinisa zvithu he had known responsibility kazoiteyawo zvothe mara zvino vatu vakomuroro ina as much as vasina responsibility zvine ava nazvo ozviwana zvikobva gai ndizvine vakumbudisa so I don't know
yeah,
what's the shit
okay zvote ndikozvibona ti mara I feel like it should have been a different conversation karari akutoipuzuka you know how inheritance money is as vatu vanji vane vaita chitungayo like itoliwa in most cases vatu in a year they don't have it anymore so I feel like karari yoyo vayeni ila ine rakomvona kutamba zvondangadzi yenesi it would have been different would have been a different conversation so already mwana mutuku karine achikukonora awanila chede aombolopatando I don't think ndivanji vatu vodovodonga vabebe vavanji
vatu ndivanji
vatu vonodovodonga vabebe vavanji vawane
are they literally saying or ndi inheritance pedzina
the problem is who his father was
okay
abet akamanga inheritance pedzi I think like the fact all I'm asking kutamula even before the inheritance so I'm sure vatu vakumula zori no nisongotozviyambo ngari ishediyeni otodai aiwana zvino so probably zvoiteyo murawo achidhiva nachet because the guy has been una go 7 kana 7.5
osvika hapo nga
like nangwa ashuma they won't see it
okay
it's just not there
wala mntu kana avhura company zvino ikulu Tesla yorati aivhura yava successful zviwodofi yobvangi
and mara azvifair
that's the thing
unfortunately society yotoraro mara azvifair
speaking of that also ti rado ramarikele zora kama watomoni wona fimini I think John Runga kama lazori fimini zvivi zvavo mini ndo ita ntu what do you think of that verse man also zvori zvivi zvavo kosi zvitoripwa ngavana kana zvidoitwa mini
I
ngavana
don't like it, Mara. Yeah, zviyaiteya, you know, it happens. I believe, I'm not saying, I believe is a different word. I know generational curses exist also. There's stuff like that. Unazitu zvine zvotende like mumakuru kwanza vozvitendera inazo komangara, you are just in the line and you don't know how. You are just in the line. Like a lot of families have like generational curses that they don't really look into. Ngori zvinomala, you know. Come see, do you example? I mean, come see yore like nothing dopedza 12 mara nichipoto university you just.
But then I get that ne mara nechine atichivhesesiti utori baby naye somehow ti and sorry to say it in that way ukambozo zvori
then genereza bishop
it's okay man ndiko this voice yanga zvino ti like inini kori zvivi zvakozi zvidorerwa kavana ti I get that one okay cut kozi yangoita zvivi usiti echitukavo zvozote zvadakana and then adova nelena akambozori uri nichidziwe ini munhu ndiyototenda zvothe natenda zvanu uri nive mutu why zvisati ufi nekamuzingori myanga vochidziwa kana kozi yange vochidziwa nne nawa ndili wara so zviyakononakera through them
that it happens as well.
Does it?
I still believe like tabeleza vomakuru kukwanga they are still running
but then
because they used to be prayer warriors ndiye zvila zvine rari kwambura sometimes it's during times where you're not praying at all and then things happen because unatabeleza zineza katishuma you are not praying but your mom is. Do you understand? Kana nabo bononeta ngonirabera mara bobiye baniraberera uri okay zvimuchimbirere so like we've spoken about it I feel like
but
God,
then why
God
roteresa
answers
that dorungazo zofi okay myanga bontabelera nenda saraberi ari taduru that's what I'm literally saying uri
why
ara case ichikono chimbirana generation
why
the blessing is that okay now abasa mtoro tena mi abachi kudimara bedi so ashanduka na mini mara olo basa tushanduka rikomjaya taduru although we don't know how it actually works towards the end mara the Bible says it's either you go to hell kana na yantuni taduru so
zvichimbira zvothe tanga I think nitebelonga blessing nanga case yone bibili mara nayo nayo
hey baby ti
hey it don't even ngaye nabe maybe we going to say this
no don't think azama ziportela sorry like zvazi bibili ndizvinga mara
it's a different book
mara hopefully what mara ningasiri bathu vadho
do you believe ezvila zvizopfi yomwaliwa ngamakuwa like it was brought in as colonizer in order to colonize us even no you don't have to go deep into it.
No, I don't want to go deep ndikozo process ala nori offer this no way nini anything chizumbura ruti
I do it's a conversation I don't want to bring up or it's a thought that I don't want to entertain because I know how further it can go like ingapedzana sichabelieve chitu ngori zvione zvinera zvibelieve ati mara I just don't like the fact that most of the verses or Christianity as a whole ipushesa kusiwana. Do you understand? Ipushesa kusiwana and zviconsumiswa ngarine vatu vadzo it's never the white people.
Ndona TikTok muro mufakazi wamfunzi akambori if you're poor just know mudzimani tembi na cherede and you will never get it. So what will happen is that mudzimudo patu vane avatemba cherede vadothusa ine vala kuti ngori inani tembi na cherede. What?
Do you believe in the law of attraction? I believe in the law of attraction. Do you believe uri you attract zvithu zvine nakotoda zvone mara nikuzvibelieve ezvo?
I feel like I do at some point.
Ndikumabva mara una vatu vane
I've been believing
avangaiwani ngori also na attitude yanu towards it.
Like, no,
but you are fine for your age. For where you are now, you're okay.
Hey, speaking of that, I'm going to check out this other
thing. ADHD again? Do we ever finish a topic?
No, like literally, there's some processor. But one I look up to. There's a macheka mingwe.
They're old. Exactly. But you never look at that.
Which one go 2005 baba varsity?
Grade 2.
That's the thing. Grade 3.
I was telling my mom the same thing. For as much as the chibas
was grade 2, you know fair.
Grade 2, grade 1. Oh, grade R and 2004.
2004 marka grade 1.
Hey, rine rivana guys richanulwana rine. Hey,
Yeah.
everyone on the side side.
So yeah, which one go to so vatu valwani ngozvona.
Vatu valwani vatu vano inspire. Bona nini comes to for example now ndatori Alicia looking at her cars. Analingani nane.
Ndimuna naye eti?
Yes, she's not my age.
Mtendi, is she old?
Muteni, I'm sure one pira, but I just don't know what comes in Mwami Ngana. And many other girls, unabo Pumu Titi, unabo Mrs. Nels. There's rich women, so many rich women, bo Miss Ngobs. You cannot, like, you can't. Ngorigam sinamani kozifuna ati. Available graduate arungana ngana uri nachpinga na mingwa yetena. There's no independent graduate arutanu zin. So I feel like I was still saying what I was telling my mom that I know that there's so many things that I don't have, but there's so many things that I have still. And that's all that matters.
And a lot of people.
No, I'm asukora. No, there's so many people that I bring. No, remember you relate more na batho benarwa nabo. Na kono swibarelo roki nena wo you rojena class in T. We had the same oninga sin the compare na anena kumbona Josie. You don't know what they went through. You don't know what family they come from. Go home and see there are people that had better opportunities.
Yeah, guys,
went to better schools. They went to better schools. Vola mukare. You know you wanna late, but no sanchi late.
Fesesa. Nikazitoma ndato iprocess ndishivona ndilena msi. Ndimulalo wa cheese.
Cheese yeda.
Mulalo ali cheese ti ndipura.
Oh, ndipura.
So. Ndibatu mara.
Ukayipuralo batho.
Asha ndiyamfanela reyama ayatakaze lathi yena. Yeah, yes, why does you have to about TV? Anyway, you don't think it's
so funny. I don't know that. Dani na musimwe ai ronwa nyamba borote. Rogonya ruti sofa. Mngana roto fesera roti tiwa boluraro rubiri.
Ngoro pesera. Ndikodo yena dzimu.
Mana tini mansio.
Mara to roto pesera so mama. Yeah, but then
ini rochwa rufu.
Rufu charuchwa.
Muna ndobona nga the god uri hai. It's possible, like your last post can be your last post, like
it's easy. Ulobantu how to process man.
Muna it was crazy.
Unexpected mtu anena mdiva kana nena mbona every day.
Ni umbulele mumuntu asadivere, you know.
That's for example, have you follow baso like
ningozopfunga hayi prank
ukose prank mini so yeah man, that's
did you watch the funeral rango na mananga funeral?
Yeah, ndoi mbona nyani kuti ndichikumedza
sisters akonsa akusikuri auna mtu reinvested ndabona uri ka Facebook za phone zviko ndengisa ndiko bayiro itati update ka WhatsApp ndatofuka laptop
no madava ko pepo
musanda mara vori pusha vo ya live square uri chitop epe bavi unotakaira atakaira mini yavo
riko appreciate musanda
no vapore mini vari vazidana vachikotana
musanda asimutu sakukola vari mutu watuwa na buku zvayo watona kuti
hai mara ende vayaza
vakurazimizirwa munhu navalamtu
then the following day
following day vavapatini
avanyagi flight vaarreida vayashowa up ndovona muntu opostori musanda vaidira vachipingana
musanda ava vakometi ava avarikupindura vanhu vaidira kachipingana zvawawe
abedheri habenelelia duva ngani to the god babu ita na memorial dzitabero ndandikuvavona kezila dzicandlelight what
ngachamachero vavoya vabedhini amuligwe no not ngachamachero ngalelo dhuva ngamasiyari mara vasina vanhu rushaka
navona zvino vakufunwa nanga magura vonodzerera magura voimafala nandosi magura vachitovona goro yamusananarai
mara I feel like goro yavona yavidzerera like nivotoidhiva zvino yomwari unongwariwa so you're like oh brandika ndivoni
I don't think I've met him in person.
Really?
Asi mtu wa marwan ndopavona hamakadzi mara vastagini so I didn't get to like see you.
Okay vatotangana ndini uwafa wanichifika ufinaini tani wone uwafa
unanyana wakubudzuvi for that kakamere
ndinyotacha marasta
avachiburi vavotiri
avatiwe vavasifa
the content creator yakuveli
avakupusha mara
zarifani nyinyi and like but I like what he did with the bullying thing.
What happened there?
Guys, also when the people are bullies Hola mwana ti oita video akwambura kubuliwa.
Tungo
Msanda
ibondo
bayana
kuona
chikoroni.
chinepe nje.
Msanda bayana chikoroni warawara I think it was fixed. Hola mwana zvino ngori vatu vanomufollow atonga ava kuposta dziselfie like I think unachimwe chinepi chavaposta recap muntu ari ene zvinhu achaita zvachikoro musiwo
ndobona oppository if mini kombira dzi app friends kafacebook I think ndobona heyo ofi dzi app friends ategwa musano rutonga umuntu wavo vona achaita pachikoro hayi akonyaga fame fedzi kavo so
nothing will ever convince me to leave Facebook. Hauna mtu anakaconvince.
Kwa Facebook yadhipa nande ndachiyaita chimbora mara
I think asimbore ngori ndichikadhifuka dzikingi nzowera kuwe
apedziri mbiri dzikingi what I go supposed to me the king is blind ma
ulani wanovo ani
bashitana mtu
mwana mumwe kwakuzana
I Facebook.
I love it so much. Viwe, una dzimwe meme dzine you can't find them on Twitter, you can't find them on Instagram, you can't find them on WhatsApp.
I only got that dzichikotobuya zvakuru.
Nendi yawo for serious zvinongo trend. I don't even have an account. You know exist.
Ndinaye mara ndikotoyobona uri ukotangana mimi.
Ne yanga yaisadzotenda account uri yaizongambisa ngavatu.
Anyways, tumamuna. What is it I wanted to talk about? Oh, the thingy. The awards we got. Remember una Ramsey? We got the Metro Award.
And you like go when I mean.
I've been in Venda, you know.
You lie.
Metro, yeah.
Oh, we know Nanyana Janet, come Limpopo Shande.
I
know Janet.
Shande show winning Charisma winning Bidi.
Charisma had to weird. In like, is she still? I think. What the right? Yo. And then, I think it's good, man. I'm just glad what we recognize finally.
What do you mean?
Oh. No, I mean I've been listening to his music from Mani's guy, so from girls like you, like from Good Intentions, so I've been a fan. Mara, like that.
Do you think the Dumandando effect is working on him?
It might be. I don't know. Don't you think?
I think so, because also she did push
Priceless.
If you mean priceless, mean moments.
Priceless possessions.
Priceless possessions. Ako kwa campaign. Kombo nimuvotele muna wanga batu.
Would you be my best friend?
Yeah, so I'm push. There's no problem with the Ichiba guy na zin. Like, what happens? Artist you're a real winner. Like it's a big artist. I mean, I'm the one doing a Rams. You know the name. It's even written there. And then the blogger now they're coming uri. Ntando Rambani's husband's winning award, brah. What does that make you feel? Because someone would mean without hair or nothing.
Who don't divisive any?
And still, bruh, I feel like niman ko and ability if you do that.
Mara kakapuling when I uduzira unes. You could do Kingsley's wife, because indeed in Ramatoni about. Unfortunately, Cyril Ramaphosa's wife, Julius Malima's wife. It depends on like is if Dino Mulaisane is dating someone, it will do Mulaisane new boyfriend. Ingasi Mwambezi do vakani.
Okay, sorry. Okay, no. What was this? Hypothetical. Enough and Nazonzo the thing is what?
Hi, Kaiji. You
can take Kaiji.
You can take the I.
Zonzo's no offers boyfriend.
No, I think he has more people. No, we can't balance each other out. Mtsipe. Valid.
So, mara no. And that's so like, what do you mean?
No, mara una zvithu zvine zvongotoni bora zvikadidova so for some time and it has nothing to do ngori are talented. Utovori no mara mtu duma.
Yeah, I'm just glad he's happy, man. He looks happy.
Unlike Beyonce and Jay-Z. You know, unemwana mmoto dhimisa. You know,
it's fine. The one.
It's Gabriella Union's husband. Atimu Gabriella Union's.
Doing with the ongoing going to basketball.
No, then the wife.
And that's the wife and that's the
seriously, you didn't know Gabriella
Union. They were doing
what an icon.
That's dead. So yeah, man. But then I was at that.
Congratulations.
But you know, did anything. I just followed them because the man got killed at radio. That's okay. Jiki pa nanirotevana dzintu mavana vacho. What is up kuma like? Because I feel like chima dzichitowa.
Chima.
Last year that's the one I think. Hopefully not this year.
It's going to be
No, last year was it Kalahari?
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, pofedza winavo asati I'm just not sure ndilini.
Oh, really?
Actually wina amapiano of the year what. And the other one I win R&B. I'm not
I would
sure.
love to attend those.
None
Ndogumo yattenda kale.
Chima nona attenda.
Kale ndiko grade mini kana.
Ini kale nezituni.
I've been.
Grade mini wani kwa attenda ntu.
Ndotuwana vumane wanga toto jena. Ndasukanda jena iyi univen.
Yeah, so we need those. Also, ona zilantsha dzine zazita ntu. Dziko trenda ka Facebook. Nani raropangiwa ti. Thank you for watching this episode. It is proudly brought to you by MR21 Funerals and Insurance. If you want to know more about their funeral plans and all the insurance that they have, make sure you contact them on 015-151-0251 or 0252. Or you can contact them on their WhatsApp number, which is 061-509-0775 or www.mr21.co.za. MR21, true respect.
You mean this?
I feel like there is a lot of content creators
there.
there.
Oh, as content creator.
Na upangiwa na mimi Black Couch story netongana.
River upangiwa ngonyo.
Ngawa watu baona.
Ndibonye. Bane ba.
That's a debate even.
Sino kama ninje kama ni wina na dene jeka.
Atocha bo. Weli wenyeza swa watu ma.
Kwa yanza mana do jeka kama ni.
Abado ambo wao sendo na.
No contact of no nominator. Oh, bo senda ngami.
Ngawa tapo and then ai bambela na email kana bonkumela email kana boto senda na email. Antsena imwe document so ndapfunyana ndabalisa mkona bala phozo go fimini and then.
Ndapfimini.
Then yora fanga stu narrator yothe. So like oh okay. Fine.
Na ifila na umis.
No, asko feel chitu. Nduto tendo yes or no. Nari yes. Abakufika rumo post and yapo ndari oh but vadwamba ngadzibo wapfa vachita nto re vatu nervotel na amweni budza veni samba. No roba ngoro ziko jino nga the face.
Nerkata.
Yerikata.
Mara isa tutoba no toba.
Are the winner next year? Yabu yarko you win.
Win wa mini.
Are they probably chere mara almost chere. This money.
Okay.
Wapfa.
Ndio divori pange manda manga pani ruviro.
I don't know bazino apchena ntu mara guys koto mena next year nervotel kana mini. Rotemba vewe.
Ayuro lido yu. Nervotel guys.
Hauna chede kulu. Azinjila chede.
Ngobala mkona upyo baliswa ine ai divi.
Mara uko ndatedza.
Bana ine.
Yes.
Okay. No,
Yeah, then anyways.
Next year guys nervotel.
Yeah, next year.
Okay.
Yeah, rara kadema ngami. Sadu jana kaizo zao. Ndo zumura zori. Hey.
Concubine.
Oh, no, besides that, I feel like number la zori unena ruwa one na mini like ni guda suneza kwete nepo. So hako watu wa complain ngala za matamba mini or
Una matamba kanto.
A lot.
Things that would make me cringe.
Nah, okay, you would cringe.
Aibu.
No, just that. Tinya guni discourage uibona mara.
Mara zongiza matamba nivo mwe.
Auto wanala matamba.
Matamba ndi avenga.
Uto I feel like it hala so awkward because zikwamba ngavangana ne rachimdivasa mtu ane okutara mtodzika kambangu.
Zvino ngei una matamba?
Ndene ntu.
Na badau bapangi.
Rendikaka wako connect marama.
Oh, una rendikaka na badau nanye.
Ndawango banga. Isho visa episode mbili pe dzimwe zichodzoita ntu.
Mulalo.
Zodib. Mulalo mpi ono iwanu.
Sydney.
Oh.
No,
like when you where are ngaye. Bra, like one is it then unengo ngayo rinano takana na yabo call bait yangi.
Ngadar nani ansendezi.
Jobore.
Ni pangere.
Mean. And what the boy. And check Rama. Oh, also like mangantuma. So Demolition antuma had into them Muledane. Things should end it there.
That was so bad.
Bad in what sense?
Cause
you know, hey. Cause I feel like regard is bad, eti. Mara if nani kudazu angida su ngandira.
Mara bakos divana.
I feel like
ani ngorenga kamusanda or something nabenza ku diva story.
So here's what happened. Nani kuona an interview between mtu wa Chibasa na femini na mtu wa Maspara and a lady anokwachirwa ndona wako interview of so what did transpire there. So wala mtu wa Msanda wakamurino rine not wa Msanda va Maspara wakamurine sand some Maspara we have a proclaimed area in the ndi yashu ringachimisa for development na minity and then Musanda one vane vade vavari mean no mavundi yashu ndiri no for deed of grant ya Chibasa yote jamundi ya Chibasa ngenta and then apa pasi
wavapi
ndivo chivavo MPK
Kennedy.
I think ndivo MPK votovera MPK chivasi
okay
aticho ndivo Kennedy nakoraona K up MPK iona namwe ndivo Kennedy I think ndivone mara vorumelwa mutu anokubva ningita vanhu akwambora okay zvine masipara kuita zvokakena mini vangasikuita mara taidzikoda apa pasi zvino cause chivalani musando wachivasa wothe vomahwasani ava dono vamuledani apparently he's been saying uri ala kuti kava movie avala kuti avangwarengesera zvitenzi
ndikareva kuvavudza
and then
my chat is nichikubudzwa nonopata ndomngana nawo chitopfimi ndoitani
but then I feel like nibudzwa before
nibudzwa before
okay if ini
avo vevademolisheri wandu vari mene nendinyaupfa side ya
vari vone havadivi chitu obviously that's what you would say ndo then ari ngubudzwa chitu hola akwamba no rinero rumena sheriff and sheriff yada is in one and I did it yada is in one ichibuya isiya something unatozori ndozwana kana minkana mbanga nambato serisa pasi ya ndikarivutla nisinapo lazo tibori madya songo jen wado the series na ubona ntivula so vakamuzori vatu vava kurumenda vachida vachivudzwa fina mino ajiwana misanda vatu kave misanda ambofudo demolition aspeto ashunde empeto maspara vamfini wo mahwasande pachiri no guys apeto napatone anorenga zvitenzi kane na mini so una chipinga che
mingana za demolition
edzo thari zilando dzimwe dzadzikadipatiwa dzimwe mokamborona talsi and I feel like havala vatu tindalati pane chitenzi vangaurengisirwa nga price ya pasi and probably havana chitu so vafore okay it's a bargain vachijia vadipatira 1 room 2 room adzura na vanhu cause mwakamba abendi na vana kana 3 kana 4 ane parana wakambori zvino ati dizori guy kuzokodedechera nepantoni figure amaspara aona umwe nerangaye wojia chimwe na chimwe so I was like okay maspara kambo rine rona court order nga 2020 ikori avala vatu kavatwisiwe and then nga 2021 vamahwasani vari vewe nikorenga udemolishe zvi zvikomo nibvisizila adzingorengeswa ngani so ubva 2021 ambatokodisa panopata nami so
havana mwana wisa panopata but I feel like una mutu bukati apa nokuita kushika ngori ungasiri uko pfe vatu kababvisa avo una mutu anakadzi zvirengisa futi zvikurengwa api
don't you think vavonozvirenga zvote zvilaves to then cause so I feel like nafina nachigwena
na mutu asa kwamba ungo wapa bukati but anyway
nampochino vacharenga chitenzi ti anenge muledani
chachiene pala
chizori ndiwe ngani ngechiudzizwe ndige muledani nge chambo chachare kuditonga zvino mapu
idi chano bechi nori chibadani ne
nende nacho chamaspara chikamepe ndio make sure so mara za kumela zvitu so are those zvino ni side nine because avala vatuvo vone vakufori vorenga chitenzi vone musanda vari vevani vachirenga kane
that's when you una kushika vanongoitwa pakati
avatorudza vatu
ngori ione ya transfererwa one
mando chirenga guy
it doesn't matter now
culture kwezo zvitu uri yo transfererwa guy chelede
exactly
nani ningadana amburi okay if okwashanda yani
kuri
nofanya chelede number simple
ngori asikona dzei man there's no way auna mtu anokuzikuvua dari ndikopata apa zvione ione
ndobva wofuna shandima musi muledani nashandima kana utova petu nekamusi wato wanga wotangana wothe maybe
yo hi askisi ndozvibona it was very sad it looked very very sad
it does tovorbo nichizvitantu nichizviprocessa nazvo I don't know man but then anything else I'm missing satuvara
I'm trying to think or raroita
demolition return to the baddies man
the baddies
what do you think of that
zvikombora uri yoli wandisingonga ngomuwe
what do you mean
uri utendolanyana
through mupio
I don't know bro something I mean torobona corruption ikotopera rizola chitu
like how
and then na badi nadandowaniwa kare
don't you feel like majanga commission is just here to prove uri zvakuma as a commission if they were disservice they can do something because how many have we had Romana yavo Zondo we've had what the other one can
mara the arrests zobva chimukanazi atomwamba ti like imagine karare if it was ongoing or corruption habe zvino navane vakatinyangozama muna mukopa zvino
ndingaziya ijena
muna mukopa namzini chijena avachatojeniwa nga vatu like asi vatu vanji vanongodzvena because they're scared
mara how greedy can you be bra uiza chitu cha 180 to 50,000
because not omango uchisa ka 300 navona zvikumeka sense nachisa ka 500 na oh it can get to 2k
na 50,000
30 not how then let's make it 50 and also beyoni kwangu uri na akochita ngorala uwe una vatu vanokumubudza uri iwo ne budget you can't ndingasiri
obvious ubona wathi vanga ngomu
so greed aikobva kahoyo wanga nda utoma ikotoma murawo ndivone vomuvudza uri budget yashu ndi heyi and navo uti huna khati yavo so the more he prices the more the cut they get so greed vivone kuvona ya muthu wanga nda ikotoma murawo ngori angasi charge 50,000 kashucha 180 and navo vahazvidivi uri chiita 180
and the more nichidhara ka corruption I feel like ndiapo neni temo greed itiyogonya uri
ningotola ni vanji you have to eat in
because also is the thing if uchikofi ndi tender ati wavobida vathu vanji mumwe muthu ari 50,000 there's a chance yori na mumwe muthu vachargila chitonga 1,000
valid
mari when decide we're gonna go with the 50k one and then they thought azvanga the one eventually majanga commission ikobvisa zvimwe zvizhinji do you think
they should continue rocking
do you think the baddies are also forming part of this thing uri ndivone vana vangokosa angoflasha of which mara vadaitani chelede yone
mara kudaitani ngayo muthu opa 50,000 aiteni mwana okay mwana wa 22 years afa 50,000 kudaitani ngai uti yoyo uitani uinvestor uyapenga uti yarakasha baby ngova bomba
like you can literally show me and Wella bag right and tomorrow like yes keep them coming tomorrow you wanna go higher than Wella bag and then when you show me bigger you're like no you can even go bigger
no but we can't now blame the fans
ndini munhu ndinokutakaza ndela zvine rari kambori ini nichiva
of course you're gonna do it because
then mara we can't blame the fans
who was the fan not ndini like nikozamo keep life in asiyanu
the issue is I work arena unfortunately in this case it cannot be honest
like that thing that girl thing lily thing cause like I used to see her cards in talk
something nomdiwa zvini
nanda chimbona cause nende abvira ngazva family but ndiko scroll like TikTok I used to see her. Oh okay hey family una G class oh nice this
she's in farming
she does farming findi dokotela la DUT but wakorera zvezvo nakazi comment cause but vakutumori no baby these are until you know there's those people that always want to defend mtu ndi dokotela mini but watu la DUT na like I don't know so hey so
wana degrees zasho unoita computer
so I feel like majanga commission like
it's crazy
now ikotiyo jena ndobona yangu kufipa kunyaga dzintu dza tender dzote dza Joburg
vonyame
mabambira tendara dzote dza city of Joburg I feel like mamungo chuwa zwe
udochuwa na rini farani
ndo dropa
ndini
anoyoni kuzanda dhonuvudza
nemara ni ya mfosa
nitoamba wafuna ine nachinga dhiri ndo jendiswa Mudau
you guys share the same side.
So, yeah, man, I just do you think like Venda thinga be bad nayo? Commission?
Yes, it would.
You think?
I think
so. Yes. Rasaraga chashu.
I think so. Rodoro fit benjula ko yari nena ngwa.
Udoto ya. Ndabona ngo fi abali ya fit na ro. Yaka selika besh.
Like what? Abandi shi in. Code what? She in code.
Anyways guys just tanizaveno
arangofirisa ora
aropira reawera vatundu tiri wana next week if richa wana ndisana ichizvita na dipina mari munongo dipina nendisiya ngozwa
ina maginya
maginya na chibuya na inyi futi audama mutu
doda vamwe guys ti
mwani kutamba so
ndikupuwa budza vatu
ina rwambo man guys varani rito ndino ruvura
vovhura nenopedza iyo ni barere no hamba notohamba nikodhiruma. Bye guys, see you guys next week. Ciao
brought to you by Emerton. Hey abe ngozofera wa Emerton ndwani
mwili
ngozibatu ni comment hapo ni Emerton ka sponsor ndi episode yo feds
in ndara idorubura ya this year vaza izapanda
yes sir kotrombera commentani no #Emerton1 and the Black Couch issue my hotel so I'll see you in the next one. Bye.